Stop squinting your eyes, because it's a bad habit of impaired vision. People with clear vision don't squint their eyes. Squinting puts your eyes under pressure instead of a relaxed state. Only in a relaxed state, your eyes can refocus properly into the distance. All micro muscles of the eyes can function properly if your eyes are relaxed. Squinting affects normal blood flow and regeneration and recovery of your eyes. When a person squints, his eyes get tired super fast. I remember myself before, when I had myopia and bad habits of poor eyesight. In the evening, everything around me was blurry because my eyes could not handle this extra pressure from squinting. I highly recommend starting natural vision improvement with relaxation and stop squinting your eyes immediately. By the way, if you want to improve your eyesight naturally, remove spectacles and get rid of myopia, astigmatism or hyperopia, check out my step-by-step proven course Eyesight Academy. The link will be in the description below.